sensory garden. It's made to be handicap accessible so that the kids can go around if they're in a wheelchair or a walker. They have access to the beds, and it's called sensory because it's they plant in things that smell good and that feel interesting, have an interesting texture. So you can touch things, you can smell things, which isn't usually the way things go at a preserve. But this gives some hands-on for the kids who maybe can't see as well, and it lets them actually be able to get their hands on some plants and some different things.